We're going to continue our learning on comparative relational thinking. When I look at this equation, the only thing that's a little bit different is that I see that 4 is smaller than 2. So instead of subtracting, I'm going to add 2 to get 6. And if I add 2 here, we have to remember that subtraction is the same. So that means I have to add 2 to this equation. This number, 1 plus 2 equals 3. So I think n should equal 3. So let's see if I'm right. 4 minus 1 equals 6 minus 3. Because whatever this equals is what this other number will equal. So 4 minus 1 is 3, and 6 minus 3 equals 3. Yes, I'm correct. Now we're going to move on to some larger numbers, but it's the same exact concept. So 33 plus 12 equals 36 plus 9. Remember, adding opposite. So I have to do the opposite from this one to this one, but it has to be the same number. So I'm going to compare this number and this number. 33, to get to 36, I have to add 3. So 33 plus 3 will give me the 36 I have over here. So if I added 3 to this one, I have to subtract 3 to this one. 12 minus 3 is 9. If that's the same as that, these two are equal. That is true. The next equation. $30 plus 10 equals 20 plus 9. 30, to get to 20, I'm going to subtract 10. That will give me 20. So if I subtract 10 from this side, that means I need to add 10 to this side. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 20 does not equal 9. So I think this is false. These equations are not true. Let me check. 30 plus 10 would give me 40, and 20 plus 9 would give me 29. So I was correct because I subtracted 10 on this side and added 10 on this side. I did not get the same equation over here, so that means this equation is false. Lastly, let's do one more subtraction problem. 27 minus 13 equals 24 minus 10. 27, to get to 24, I need to subtract 3. That will give me 24. Subtraction, I'm doing the same. So I'm going to subtract 3 to 13, which will give me 10. This is the same equation, so that is true. Now let's try some with variables. So if I do 42 plus 5 equals 40 plus n. 42, to get to 40, I'm going to subtract 2. This is adding, so I need to do the opposite equation, but I need to keep the same number, so this will be plus 2. That will give me 7. So I think this n will be 7. So let's check. 42 plus 5 is 47. 40 plus 7 is 47. I made this equation true by using comparative relational thinking. Let's try a variable for subtraction. 25 minus 4 equals 29 minus n. 25, to get to 29, I need to add 4. And then I need to do the same thing to the other side for subtraction. So plus 4 would give me 8. So I think this variable, that should be subtraction, would be 8. So 25 minus 4 is 21. And 29 minus 8 would also give me 21. So I made this equation true by using comparative relational thinking. And when I do subtraction, I have to do the same thing. When I do addition, I do the opposite with the same number.